dance. Yes, dance. I love dancing. Every time when I have fun, I dance. Yes, I dance. Yes. Can you dance like a robot? A robot? Yes. Do you know what a robot is? A robot? Yes. Yes. It moves funny, right? Yeah, I'm a robot. Yes. Say robot. Yes, robot. Wow. Let's start. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Amazing! I didn't know you could dance like a robot. Wow, guys, let's applaud for ourselves. Yes, amazing, so good. In the night, I had a dream. Yes, do you sometimes dream? Yeah, scary dreams? Uh-oh, but I had a fun dream. Yes. And when I was sleeping, JoJo was sleeping. I had a dream. Yeah, a dream. And it was a great dream. Yes, I made a funny song in my dream. Yes. Do you sometimes dream? So, the song is about eat and drink. Yes, eat and drink. And today, I'm gonna eat banana. Yes, say banana. Good. And I'm gonna drink water. Yes, say water. Okay, banana and water are super healthy. Yes, it's good for our body. Yes, do you remember? If we take care for our body takes care of us. Yeah, great. Okay, let's sing. Eat, 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 and drink, drink, drink. We're gonna eat, 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 and drink, drink, drink. We're gonna eat. We're gonna eat. We're gonna eat, 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 and drink, drink, drink. We're gonna eat, 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 and drink, drink, drink. We're gonna eat and drink. We're gonna eat, 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 and drink, drink, drink. We're gonna eat, 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 and drink, drink, drink. Yeah, that's it. And now I'm gonna eat a tomato. Yes, say tomato. Yes, some say tomato. Yes, tomato. I'm gonna drink tea. Yes, tea. Say tea. Tea. Good job. Yes, tomato and tea both starts with the letter T. Yes, letter T. Can you see it? Yes. Ready? You remember the song? Are you ready? Do you remember the song? Yes, I do. We're gonna eat, 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 and drink, drink, drink. We're gonna eat, 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 and drink, drink, drink. We're gonna eat, we're gonna eat, we're gonna eat, 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 and drink, drink, drink. We're gonna eat, 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 and drink, drink, drink. We're gonna eat, 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 and drink, drink, drink. We're gonna eat, we're gonna eat, 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 and drink, drink, drink. We're gonna eat, 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 and drink, drink, drink. We're gonna eat. Good job! So, I had a dream, yes, and I was dreaming about a air balloon. Yes, say air balloon. Yes, a hot air balloon. Yeah, just like this one. Wow! Have you ever been in a hot air balloon? No? Okay, it doesn't matter. We will do it together, okay? Because we are friends. Yes, friendship is really important, okay? But before we start and jump in the hot air balloon, I have a surprise for you guys. Yes, you're my friends, and I brought another friend. Yes. Are you ready? We're gonna pull them in. Are you ready? Let's pull and pull and pull and pull. Yeah, look. This is Jimani. Say hi, Jimani.
Hi.
Hi. This is my little friend. Yes. And there are my friends at home. Do you see them?
Yes.
Good job. So now we're gonna jump in a hot air balloon. That's cool, right?
Yes.
Yes. Great. We're gonna go together. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Great job. Whoa! Do you see this? Whoa!
Whoa.
So we're gonna start the hot air balloon. Yeah. Do you know how to start a hot air balloon?
No.
No. Okay. So to start a hot air balloon, we have to pull this string. Okay?
This one?
Yes, this one. And if I pull it, yeah, then hot air goes in the balloon.
Cool.
That's cool, right? Okay, you guys, my friends at home, can we do it together? On 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Look, we're going up. Let's pull a little more. Yeah, so we can go higher. Pull.
1, 2, 3.
Yay! Whoa! We're going in the sky. Oh, hi! Yay!
Yes.
Wow! Look around. Whoa! So magical in the sky.
Let's look around.
Okay, let's observe the environment. Yes, let's look around in the sky. What do you see? What do you see?
I see a bird.
A bird. Yes, say bird. Yeah, bird. Good job. What a nice bird. Yeah. Okay. What do you see? What do you see? I see an airplane. Yeah. An airplane. Yes. Say
Cool.
airplane. Say airplane. Wow, good. Hey, airplane. Wow. Have you ever been on an airplane? No? Oh, yes.
I have.
Yes, me too. But now, where are we? Do we remember? What is this? Is this this? Or is this? Or maybe this? Yes! This one! Good job! Yes!
Let's look for more.
Let's look for more! More is more fun, yes? Yeah. Oh, what do you see?
I see a helicopter.
A helicopter? That's so cool! Yeah! Yeah, do you know a helicopter? helicopter. Say helicopter. Yes, helicopter. Yes, helicopter. Yes, wow, a helicopter. Have you ever been in a helicopter?
No.
I did, yes, I did. And you get a funny headset to talk. Wait, I wish I had a headset. Let's wish hard. 1, 2, 3. I wish I had a headset. Look, now I'm pretending I am in a helicopter. Yes, let's fly in a helicopter. Yes, we're gonna jump back in the
Air balloon.
1, 2, 3. Whoa! Look at this! Wow! What do you see?
I see a cloud.
A cloud, yes, a cloud. Say cloud. Yeah.
Cloud.
Yeah. And in clouds, sometimes clouds are filled with rain. Yes, rain. And then when the clouds go over your house, what could happen?
Rain.
Rain drops out.
It's
Yes.
like the clouds are sad.
Yes, the clouds are sad. When they're crying. Correct? Yes. And it rains upon our house. Yes, rain upon our house. Yes, but there's also nice white clouds without any.
Rain.
Yes, without any rain. Yes, these are white, nice clouds.
They're happy.
Happy clouds. Yes, say happy clouds.
Happy clouds.
Good job, Jimani. Good job, friends at home. Yes.
Now let's search some more.
Yes, let's find something else. Oh my God, do you see that? What do you see? What do you see?
I see even more air balloons.
More air balloons. Look, we made some friends in the sky. Yes, we made friends in the sky.
Yay!
Yay, let's wave.
Hi, air balloon
Wow.
friends.
Hi, friends. Look, say hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
Yes, hi, friends. So cool, yeah. Look, so many air balloons. Yeah, and they have so bright and nice colors. Yeah. Do you know why air balloons have bright, nice colors? So they are recognized by other objects in the sky.
Cool.
Yes, so the airplane can see the hot air balloon from very far.
They have lots of colors like the rainbow.
They do, yes, that's why they call it flying rainbows. Yeah, flying rainbows, that's a nice name, right?
Yeah. Hey Jojo, have you ever seen chicken dance in a hot air balloon?
No, that's silly, right?
And I brought a pretend one. Look!
Oh, look, a chicken. Yes, let's do the chicken dance, right? You want to do the chicken dance with me? Let's stand up, friends at home, and let's do the chicken dance together, okay? So first it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we change sides. Yes, so we go first frontwards, yes, backwards, then we go sideways, the other side.
Oh.
Yes, the other side. 1, 2, backwards, yes, And then we go the other side. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. You can do that, right?
Yes.
Let's do it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The chicken dance, chicken dance. Hey, hey, hey. 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 Yes, the chicken dance. That's cool, right? High five. Yes, say high five. Yes.
Can you do high five at home?
Let's do it at home. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's it. Great job. Good job, guys.
Yes, great job.
So now we're gonna hide in the hot air balloon, okay?
Hi.
Yes, in the basket. Do you see our basket at home?
Yes.
Good. So now we're gonna hide. 1, 2, 3. Where are we? Yes, we
I
are.
don't know.
We are hiding. Yes, hiding. Say, peekaboo,
I see you.
peekaboo,
I see you.
peekaboo.
Boo.
Yes, we are here. We've had our friends at home. Yeah. Bye, friends. I
Bye.
hope you had a great time. Hi, guys. We had so much fun in the hot air balloon. Yes. So let's do one more song together.
In the sea, little fishy swims so free, hiding behind a shell, peeking out, can you tell? Hiding in, hiding out, peeking out, can you tell? Hiding, swish, swish, swish. Little fishy makes a wish, hiding behind the shell, peeking out, can you tell? In the sea, little fishy swims so free. In the sea, in the sea.
Great, friends. That was fantastic. What a great job. You remember what we do when we do something really, really good? Yes, we applaud for ourselves because we care about ourselves. Thank you, guys, and I hope to see you next time. Bye. Bye.